Hello, everybody. My name is Ike,
And I'm Ori.
and today we are very, very excited to show you Manta, which is our lightweight command line issue tracker designed for both humans and AI agents. All right, hello, everybody. We are in our demo repo, as you can see here on the left, but Manta is not installed on our machine, so let's do that real quick with one nice line of code. Manta is now on our machine. If I run MT version just to make sure we have it, nice. 1.9.1. This is the latest version. You guys are just gonna have to trust me on that. But Manta is not initialized in our repo yet, so let's run a quick line of code. MT init. Manta is now initialized, but let's run this nice line of code. Get config pull rebase false, just to avoid any merge conflicts down the line. And nice. This is everything we need to do to get started. We have this buggy file, which is a calculator, or it has the functions of a calculator, but it has a bunch of things wrong with it. For example, if you look at this divide function, there's no guard for dividing by zero. So if I divided by zero, my computer would just blow up. For this add function, if I pass in strings here, it's not gonna give me the right answer. For example, if I passed in the strings 2 and 4, this would give me 24. And I'm pretty sure 2 plus 4 is not 24. So I'm pretty sure by looking at this, you guys can get the gist. Like, this is not a good file. But that's what we're going to use Claude and Manta to resolve today. For the sake of time, we're just going to address these two functions here, add and divide. So let's do that. Hey Claude, in calculator.js, there are some issues with some of the functions. Can you create two issues using Manta that address the add and divide? Oh, I spelled divide wrong. And divide functions. And if I ask it this, it knows what to do because we have an AI skill document that's right here, agent.md. This gives the agent everything it would need to know about using Manta. Oh, and I also wanted to not fill out any of the other fields. Give these issues a title and description because we're gonna demonstrate how to update fields later. So let's just give it some time. As you see here, it made an issue for the add function and it made an issue for the divide by zero function. And if I switch to my other terminal and run mtview, we are able to look at them. Let's ask Claude to categorize these correctly and assign them to me. Let's do it. Hey Claude, can you categorize these issues types as bug and assign them to me? And let's let it work. And as you can see, it's updating it by using our update command. Nice. Now if I go back and run mtview again, boom, these are now categorized to the right type and they are assigned to me. By the way, if I look at what ID the issue is, I can actually look at the specific details of it. So if I wanted to look at issue E230, mtview E230, we can see all of the details. And yeah, you get the gist. All right, let's get Claude to fix these issues and close them up. Hey Claude, can you address each issue and fix them in calculator.js? When you are done, close each one. And let's do it. And nice. As you can see, it's going through each one. This is actually so cool to watch, man. And we have our first change. Nice. As you can see, it's adding the number check and it's asking me if I want to let it change it. Yes, you can change it. And now it's asking me to close the issues. This issue specifically because it just fixed it. And yes, you are able to. And now it should move to the divide issue. Boom. It already changed it. Amazing. And now it's asking me to close it. Yes, you can close it, Claude. Thank you so much. And as you can see, it did its job. These checks are now in place. Amazing. Obviously, we want to make sure that it actually closed the issue. So if I mtview, as you can see, there are no issues there because the issues are closed. If I wanted to look at the closed issues, I can add the all flag, and amazing, we can now see the issues that Claude just worked on. Now that we are done fixing the problems that we wanted to address, let's push these to GitHub so that Ori is able to get them along with our fixes.
Okay, so I'm gonna now pull Ike's changes. So I do already have Manta initialized in my machine as well, and you could see that we just pulled Ike's changes. We have his calculator.js with the fixes he added. Beautiful. So let's see if those issues exist on my end. So I'm gonna empty view. No issues found. That's right, because he closed them. So let's see if I view all. And here we go. We have the two issues that I closed with all the fields set correctly. I do have an empty sync command as well if users want to manually make sure they're up to date. and you see that we're up to date. There are no new events to sync. All right, guys, so the next feature I'm going to show you is our migrate feature. So our biggest goal in this application is allowing people to seamlessly migrate from another issue tracker to Manta. And our biggest competitor being beads is what we focused on. A lot of users that program through the command line and use agents are using beads for issue trackers, and we need an easy way to get them off beads, right? So we came up with a one-line migrate command that gets all their issues in one shot to Manta, making it super frictionless. And before we do that, I'm just going to show you that we have no issues currently in Manta, and all I do is empty migrate, and empty migrate just takes the path to your beads issues. So you could see my beads issues exist in beads issues.jsonl, and I have 50 issues there. So let's see how those 50 issues migrate to Manta. And boom, you could see that we migrated 50 issues in literally instantaneously. So that's pretty crazy. And if I do empty view now, let me just clear my terminal so it's clean. Empty view, and look at that. We have all these bulk 50 issues that I created, and I can just scroll right now with my arrows through 10 pages of issues. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed that feature, Alex. We're super proud of that one. Okay, guys, now the test you've all been waiting for. So in beads, I currently have 50 issues, and in Manta, I currently have 50 issues. So both databases are the same, and it's time to embarrass the hell out of beads. So on the right side of the screen, you could see that I'm going to bulk create 50 issues on beads. And on the left side of your screen, I'm going to bulk create 500 issues on Manta. I'm even going to give beads a head start. Let's start the beads one. Okay, beads is going. Let's go Manta. So yeah, sorry beads, but Manta outperforms you. It's a close race. Beads is at 30, Manta's at 400. Who's gonna win? Oh, it's close. Not quite. Okay. So Manta's already done, and we're still waiting for beads to create 50 issues. Yeah, we created 500 in Manta. All right, so we have the time here. If that doesn't tell you why you should use Manta, I don't know what will. And let's show how we can clear our entire Manta database. So if I write empty clear, it'll ask me, are you sure you want to clear the entire log? Yeah, I'm sure. And also instantaneously, it cleared our entire database. So if I empty view now, no issues are found. So yeah, guys, that's Manta for you. All right, guys, you know I cannot leave this demo without giving a huge thank you and appreciation to every single person that was behind Manta. Everything you guys see is nice, it's beautiful, it functions, but seriously, it couldn't have been done without this bond that we created with our team. Hardworking, resilient, and just passionate group of people. Like if it was these team meeting elevator pictures, if it was, getting yogurt after a hard midterm and a meeting, you guys never gave up. We did it till the end, and that's why Manta is what it is. It's every single one of these people. So I'd like to shout out Angel, Hamza, David, Ike, Katie, Nat, Nathan, Ryan, Scott, and Tian. Yep, it's every single one. Every single one matters. And we appreciate all your guys' time for watching our demo. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
You actually just want to die.